Hi Felters and welcome. So Christmas is coming. There's my dog. She's got a lot of beds around our house. So I've managed to get all the decorations up. This is just an update because I've been doing a few commissions, especially a couple of horse ones, which I wanted to show you. My daughter and we made this Christmas wreath. It's out of an old book that I bought at a charity shop. And it's obviously off a tutorial on YouTube, but it's so easy, and you could put something a bit more Christmassy in the middle. So I just thought I'd show you that. It's a great thing to do, a great craft. So I did this, it was a liver chestnut with Appaloosa spots, and the colour was quite difficult because when the horse was clipped, he was very light coloured, and when he wasn't, he was really quite dark, so there was a big difference. So I didn't know what colour to do, so I went for the unclipped colour, and his mane at the top was shorn right back because of the bridle path, so that is how it was. But yeah, I was quite happy with him. Again, sometimes you find commissions a little bit tricky halfway through, but yeah, I was happy with him in the end, and so was the owner, so that's good. This was a horse I was doing, and I just wanted to show you the difference in the muscle definition. So here I have done lots of muscle definition on this side, all the way up the neck and underneath. And if you turn it round, this side I haven't done yet. So you can see, there we go, that's a bit better. You can see quite a difference how the muscle definition really brings the horse to life. And this is him all finished. I was really happy, and so is the owner. That back foot is flat. Just bent a little bit, but yeah, I was really happy with him. The owner actually wants me to do a muddy version of him, so I'm going to be doing that in February. Not sure quite how to do it yet, but I have been given some ideas from a Facebook group that I put a post on about. So yeah, he is lovely. A couple of other things I just wanted to show you that I've done, which are these little gnomes, and the tutorial I followed was from Lincolnshire Fenn crafts, and I will put a link at the end. If you like my channel, you'll love her channel. She does some really beautiful things. So easy, and they didn't take long at all, and you can individualize them with all the beards. So I thought I'd show you that. I also did a couple more Highland cow baubles. I could have taken, I don't know, 25, 30 to the craft fair, and I think I could have sold them. They are so popular. So I did these for a lady as an extra. I squeezed them in around my commissions because she asked so nicely. I couldn't say no. This is the last horse commission I was doing. It's a little Shetland pony. So this is the pre-stage when you're building up. And with a Shetland, I had to build up. Here's a little update from me a couple of days ago. Hi, just giving you a little update. It's pre-Christmas. Christmas is in a week, as the children have just come in and reminded me. I'm just sitting here trying to firm up this Shetland pony that I'll probably show you in a minute. Oh, there's my new light. Can you see it? There it is. I got that at the craft fair. It's an adapted clarinet. I absolutely love it. Anyway, so I've had quite a lot of shoulder pain across here, so I've had to be a little bit careful. It started with a big knot in the back, and then the muscles across here have been bad, so I'm trying to sit here really carefully, holding it still, needle felting, because this is the hand that does all the moving around with stuff, and you don't realise how much you use it. So anyway, I'm just trying my best to get through to Christmas. So, but we'll probably do a video on how to look after yourself in the new year. So see how this Shetland turns out. So that was just a little update from me. My shoulder is still a little bit funny, but hopefully we'll get there. So I ordered these wools from Pea Dolls, which is a UK based supplier, and it's to do some sort of special sheep coat effects, which I'm going to try out. And I've also agreed to do a dog in February. So these are sort of long haired wools that are very good and realistic for dogs from Pea Dolls, so I'll keep you updated on that and see how that goes. I'm also doing my 24 dogs in 24 days. They've sort of been running alongside everything. I'm nearly there. Hopefully in a week's time that one will be out, so that'll be really good. So this is the Shetland pony all finished, and I've just sent the message to the owner, and she loves him, so that's great. I would have kept him, he's gorgeous. But it's always a bit nerve-wracking, that point where you send the pictures to see what the owner thinks. And she absolutely loved him. So I was really happy with him as well. So yeah, there's a little Shetland Appaloosa. And I've actually done eyelashes around the eyes, and I tried to go in close, but you can't really see them, but they do make a difference. He does have them, and his forelock was that short, bless him. But yeah, I'm very happy, so I'll be posting him tomorrow. So that's my last horse commission. And then the last commission I've got to do is I've got to do one of these, another valet black nose sheep. So this is one that I did a while ago for a lady. She actually sent me, oh, that's just to show you the size, she actually sent me her valet black nose sheep's fleece, and I washed it, prepared it all, and then made it into a little sheep for her. So yeah, she was really happy with that. And it's nice, really nice idea, nice thing to have. So I've got one more of these to make, and then I can stop for a bit. So I just wanted to say to everybody, happy Christmas, happy felting, and I hope you get lots of wonderful presents, and thanks so much for watching.